Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to use onDelete decorator in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to use schedule activity in the list view or tree view, or we can also call as how to use activity in our Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, currently I am in the library management module. Now, if I go to the sales module, here you can see an activities is shown and here a clock is shown. On clicking on that, we can schedule an activity. So how do we implement such functionality in our custom module in Odoo 19? Let's see. First, here go to the library management. Currently we have no functionality like that. So we will go to the code. The first thing you need to do is inherit a model known as mail.activity.mixin. In order to do that, go to the model. Here we have already inherited mail.thread. I will simply add another model as well, mail.activity.mixin. What I have done, I have simply added another inherited model known as mail.activity.mixin. Remember, these are the abstract model. After inheriting this model, what I will do, I will simply go to the view of this particular book, and here I will add a field and name is activity underscore IDs. Also remember, I have not created this field in my model. It is coming from the inherited model. I will restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management. See, now you can see here an activities is shown, but currently this is not like the sales module. Here in the sales module, where is our sales module? Here you can see a clock is shown, and clicking on that an activity is scheduled. But currently the field is shown, but like clock and that functionality is not working. So in order to make this functionality working, we have to add a widget known as list underscore activity. So go to the code. Here in the XML, widget equals to, in quotes, list underscore activity. Then simply I'll restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading my module, I'll go to library management and see, now you can see an activity clock is seen, and on clicking on that a pop-up is shown, and here clicking you can add your particular activity. Let's say we have call and save. Here you can see the particular activity is shown. So it is a very small topic and it can be useful when you have to schedule an activity for the particular person or particular record as per your requirement. So quickly summarize today's topic. In order to add the activity in your list view, all you need to do is first and main thing, you need to inherit mail.activity.mixin model. Remember, without this it won't work. Second thing, you don't need to create any extra field for that particular activity. All you need to do, simply go to your list view. In the list view, simply add the field activity IDs. Where this field coming from? It is coming from the inherited model. Then simply add widget is equals to list underscore activity, and your functionality will be working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.